Hey, what's going on, guys? What's going on, zombie members? This is Zombie Man 95 here, and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing a how-to video, my very first how-to video. Well, yeah, very first how-to video, and we're going to be doing a glitch showcase series. So we're going to be doing a glitch showcase series, and I'm going to be showing you how these glitches how these glitches are cooperating, how they work, how to fix them, and whatever. There are solutions. There could be solutions, there could not be. It really depends. So we're going to be doing a how-to video and a glitch showcase scenario. Well, not a scenario, but bear with me, guys. I know my English ain't 100% right now. I mean, you can clearly tell I'm tired, but, you know, it is what it is. So, today we're going to be showing you guys how to fix the friendless glitch. Now, the reason why I call this the friendless glitch is some of my friends asked me, Zombie, why did you delete me? And why did my friends delete me? Why are you offline? Why does it say my friend is offline, but doesn't say how long? Where is the duration? How long they've been offline for? Like, how do I know how long they've been offline? Are they even offline to begin with? Well, so many questions and so many answers. The first one, no, they're not completely offline. They're just under the radar. And the reason why is this glitch usually occurs when you just start to boot your system up, like your PS3 system up, and you sign in for a while, and then you end up having like a few somewhat friends online, and you don't see barely anybody online. You don't see any of them barely doing anything, and that's because the friendless glitch is actually occurring to you, and you just don't know. You just don't know because this glitch can be easily spotted. It can be easily spotted if you scroll all the way down to the list. If you scroll all the way down and to where you see there's friends offline, but the duration is gone. As you can see, there's a duration on one of my friends, MK2 Blue. If you guys want to support these people out, if you want to support my friends out, you can. Give them some love and support. Doesn't matter to me. And, so, there's the duration right here. Last signed in 33 days ago, like 1 month, 2 days ago. But however, you continue to scroll down, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There's like 13 or 14 friends offline, but the duration is gone. Don't worry, guys. They're not completely offline. They're not completely deleted from your friends. They're not completely, they're not any of that. So, yeah, they're still there, but there is ways to fix this glitch. There is ways to make sure this glitch doesn't happen again. I mean, it could happen again and again and again. You just gotta sign out and sign back in. It's very simple. That's the very first option. That's the very first thing you have to do for this glitch to be fixed. So the way to fix this, you sign out and sign back in. But if that doesn't work, then it's either A, your friends are having the friendless glitch too, or B, you have to manually turn off your system and turn it back on, and into like 3 to 5 seconds later. So yeah. So anyways, guys, as you can see right here, I am scrolled down to where you see the very first person that has the duration gone on the friendless glitch. The very first one. And once you're right there, you gotta go, you gotta press, the other side on your D-pad, and you gotta sign out. And that's very simple. And you gotta wait for like 3 to 5 seconds. And, also, guys, I'm gonna sign in real quick, so I'll see you guys, in the cut. Also, I want to point out that, if you sign out and sign back in, sometimes the glitch can worsen, and your friends would get reduced. You would have a chance of likelihood of having this happen to you, like, even more friends that say offline, but the duration is gone. Don't worry, guys. You can still sign out and sign back in. You can still fix the glitch. It's still fixable. Don't worry. But again, if the first option doesn't work, and if it gets worsened or anything like that, you just got to reboot your PS3. So, which I'm about to do myself. So, guys, I'll be right back for just a moment. All right. So, I'll see you. Okay, guys, so I just rebooted my PS3. I turned it off, turned it back on, and it actually does work. So, sometimes, like, signing out and signing back in always does, it most of the time does work, but sometimes it can also worsen like that, as you just saw on the second cut of this video. So, the glitch can worsen like that. It's really, really annoying. Sometimes it's really, really annoying. So, but it's an easy fix. All you got to do is reboot your PS3, turn it back on. Don't do a reset, because then you'll lose your progress and everything else. Then you would lose everything else, and that would suck. So, resetting your PS3 is not an option. That is a no bueno, guys. That is basically a no bueno, or a no. That is a giant no. So, there you guys go. That is the friendless glitch for you guys, and that's how you fix the friendless glitch. If you guys like this video so far, if you find this video helpful, please make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, turn on that notification bell if you are part of the Undead Notification Squad. Also, share this video with your friends. If your friends are also having this problem yourself, like if your friends are having the same friendless glitch happen to you, then show this video to your friends. Show it to Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. Do whatever. It's not up to me. It's up to you guys. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to comment down below if it was. If this video was helpful. If it wasn't, like if none of those options didn't work for you guys, if it's still happening to you guys, I don't know what else to tell you, honestly, but it should work as far as I know. It should, because it does work for me. It does. 100%. Believe me. And there was a lot of questions. So there you go. Your questions have been answered. Your problems has been fixed. Hopefully, this video helps you out a lot. Also, if you guys want to, you can follow me on Instagram and join my Discord server. The links are in the description. If you guys want to follow me and join my Discord server, the links are in the description. So, anyways, guys, thank you all so much for watching this video. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out, zombie members. And remember, stay undead, everybody. Have a great day.